Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about another topic, that is city creation. In this basically we are discussing about the Lux Web solution basically, and they basically told that basically you are technically not sound basically. So this is the example basically which I am telling basically up to what technically good basically I am basically. This basically connects to software industry only. Lots of people says that here you are discussing software industry or something else basically. This is also software industry basically, who are basically this group and this group basically handling. And they basically, lots of people says यार कोरोना में कितने लोग मरे, मोर देन 50 करोड़ पीपल डाइड यार बेसिकली. सो ये मतलब लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल है क्या ये लोग? नो बेसिकली 100% नो यार बेसिकली दिस ग्रुप्स आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. Who told that basically? Who these groups are not? These groups told basically. BJP and Congress basically told that basically these groups are not responsible basically. So this basically see, then what is this basically? Then he told yes, yeah basically. So this group basically and this group had kept themselves safe also basically from this, by this basically, by this basically. So this basically we are going to discuss soon basically. So currently basically is Apple basically. So each and every people see basically how they are keeping safe themselves, themselves safe basically. Like this basically rejected of Sunil R. Nair basically. That is technical group basically rejected Sunil R. Nair basically. So like this basically the Apple says that basically the Apple basically that is created by the Apple used by the 40 crore people basically. In 40 crore basically equal to it has converted into 60 70 crore, assume 100 crore tree basically they have created, because 100 crore tree is basically normal thing basically nowadays. So 100 crore tree basically created nowadays basically this 100 crore has been converted into 40 lakh human clone basically. So just see basically yeah, the 70 80 lakh basically business basically which has diverted into 40 lakh human clone basically. So business, entire business basically changed. So this is business basically, and this is also sales basically. Lots of people say that what actually sales is. Can you please explain basically what actually business is basically? So this is also business basically, and this is also sales basically. See basically, and these groups are, lots of people say that Russian group basically are connected with the Reliance group also. How they are connected, that basically we are going to discuss. And Reliance means Gujarati person basically. That means one of the person told that Russian group and BJP group, and in this basically Reliance basically might have connected the, might be possible basically, because relationship can generate from any time basically and from any corner basically. And one of the person told that how basically he is Gujarati basically. Then he told that basically lots of Gujaratis basically are there na basically, and they basically handle, they are basically good into relationship management basically. Achha. So like this basically they have done the good relationship with Canadian Prime Minister basically. Sorry, Canadian Prime Minister or Canadian President, that I will just discuss ना basically. कनाडा में प्रेसिडेंट रूल है या प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर? कनाडा पार्टी, रूलिंग पार्टी. कनाडा में प्राइम मिनिस्टर. So in Canada basically the prime minister rule is there basically, president rule is not there basically. So just see basically, just see basically. So like this basically the Canadian basically government are basically also having good relationship with lots of people basically. Lots of people basically are good, having good relationship with the people basically. So like this Canada also basically controlled by the Gujarati people basically. So few people say यार गुजराती लोग तो हर मतलब they are basically becoming powerful basically. They basically done the marriage with few Sharma group basically, and like this basically they have taken entire Uttar Pradesh also basically, because Sharma group basically are from Uttar Pradesh basically. Few people say that Sharma group है ना basically are from Bihar also basically, and from Jharkhand also basically. So they basically done the marriage and taken the entire Jharkhand and Bihar also basically. And whatever thing basically the Gujarati groups tell na basically, that people basically Uttar Pradesh and Bihari people do that basically. Why? Because they have done the marriage na basically. They have given, Uttar Pradesh and Bihari people have given their girls to the Gujarati boys basically. So whatever they say, na, they have to do basically that. So like this basically they have taken over UP and Bihar also basically. So just see basically here basically how the relationship basically, how the dangerous group basically, that is Gujaratis group basically, having the relationship basically. They taken over the entire Gujaratis, taken the entire UP and Bihar also basically. How basically? Through basically whatever things basically they are telling they have to do basically. So this comes into the relationship management also basically. So like this basic, this also basically is business basically, because this comes into the relationship business basically. On the base of few Gujarati, few Sharma and Sharma girls basically converted in, done the marriage of Gujarati boys basically. Like this basically the Uttar Pradesh basically is ruling by the Gujaratis basically. This type of thing basically UP people or Bihari people might be knowing that also basically, that entire UP and Bihar basically is converting to the Gujarat. That basically they are 100% might be knowing basically, they are not fool basically. Like this basically things are basically there basically. So like this, see the relationship management basically is getting changed basically. So like the, how basically Gujarat, how this BJP and Congress basically are telling that basically we are having these people basically, and they are keeping this also basically. But this everything basically they might be knowing 100% that 11 parts basically has divided. This we are going to discuss basically. 11 parts basically has been divided. So just see basically from one apple, from one this example basically, we reached to one apple basically, apple creation basically. And this human clone industry is connected with Russian and Canadian basically, and that is basically the software industry basically, because software basically creates human clones basically. And this software basically who are USA basically, software who are UK, because UK are connected with the blood cells groups and creating the blood cells basically. That means they are also connected with this group, and these groups are also connected with. So entire world basically has chained basically by some group basically. Like this basically he's ruling the world basically, and he keeps on doing the verification also. How basically that 100 plane crash basically, whether anybody is knowing and the lots of people says that the क्या बोलते हैं उसका, the corona basically which came na basically, yes he says corona which was came, that was also one of the verification basically by the powerful group basically, that is USA, Singapore, Russia basically. And this basically India says that basically we have done this also basically, we have done this basically, because they are very powerful basically. So like this, just see the thing here basically, how things basically are connected basically, because they are very powerful basically, they are very powerful basically. It's connected with the fully IT industry only basically, and IT industry basically nowadays has converted into the business. That is this type of people basically are telling that basically, Sunil we have rejected you. So Vadodara, entire Vadodara group has told that basically, अरे भाई हमने भी reject कर दिया भाई तुझे, we also rejected you basically. Chennai group also rejected, but Chennai basically don't know really basically that this person basically has rejected, but this person basically has not sent the resume only basically, because this person want to spoil name of the Sunil basically. That's why he basically told that basically एक काम करते हम चेन्नई का नाम ले लेते. Like this basically he told in front of the Jalaram God and in front of the Krishna Bhagwan God that basically we have rejected you basically. So you can just imagine the power of one 4 to 5 people member of the software company in Vadodara basically, who is handling the Chennai basically, and who is basically handling USA, UK, Singapore, Canada, Russia, nuclear company. Just see basically, and just see this also basically. After that, see this also basically. So you can just imagine basically. See that also basically. After this, I have our powerful people basically, all power of the country basically. See this also basically. 11 parts divided of the Earth planet, and Asia basically is one of the land basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little more of this.